Analysis of organic compounds. Detection of elements. 1. Carbon and hydrogen. A small quantity of a given unknown compound is mixed with 3 times of its weight of pure and dry cupric oxide. As shown in the diagram, set the apparatus. The mixture is taken in a well-dried hard glass tube. This is the hard glass tube. Provided with a delivery tube having a bulb near one end. This is the delivery tube having a bulb near one end. The other end of the delivery tube is dipped in lime water kept in another glass tube. This is the test tube which is having lime water. The tip of the other end of the delivery tube is immersed in this lime water. The hard glass tube is heated with a burner. The burner is provided to heat the substance in the hard glass tube. That is the organic substance in which we are going to prove that there is carbon and hydrogen. The hard glass tube is heated with a burner. Carbon present in the compound gets oxidized to carbon dioxide, whereas the hydrogen to water. The vapor coming out of the hard glass tube thus consists of both water and carbon dioxide. Water vapor condenses in the bulb and turn colorless copper sulfate, that is anhydrous copper sulfate got a colorless nature. That means anhydrous copper sulfate it will be converted to blue color. That means it is converting it into a hydrate. Cupric sulfate pentahydrate. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Thus, turning the lime water milky indicates the presence of carbon in the compound, and change of color of anhydrous copper sulfate to blue indicates the presence of hydrogen in the given unknown compound. Write balanced equation for the following chemical reaction. After that, take the textbook page number 689. All the answers are given. Correct the answers and please let me know your marks out of 4. These are the chemical reaction. Listen to the audio and write the equation. 1. Carbon reacts with cupric oxide and forms metallic copper and carbon dioxide. 2. Carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide and forms calcium carbonate and water. 3. Hydrogen, whether it is molecular hydrogen or nascent hydrogen in the equation, both are correct. Hydrogen reacts with cupric oxide and forms water and copper. 4. Anhydrous cupric sulfate combines with water molecule and forms cupric sulfate pentahydrate. Write the equation and all the 4 equations, balance it and correct the answers.